Hello, my name is Mohammed Sharif. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to use algebraic equations to solve real-life problems. In this example, this question was set in 2007 KCSE, and according to the report, most students did not get it, which means that the student had a problem in forming and solving algebraic equations. So let's see the question. In 14 years' time, a mother will be twice as old as her son. 4 years ago, the sum of their ages was 30 years. Find how old the mother was when the son was born. So to solve these equations, we need to introduce variables. So let's start by introducing our first variables, and let m be age of the mother and s be equal to age of son. Now with these two variables, we can go ahead and start forming the equations. What we are told here is that in 14 years time, the mother will be twice as old as her son. So m plus 14, that is the age of the mother in 14 years, will be equal to twice the age of the son, which will be 2s plus 14. This is equation 1. Let's go back to the question and see another equation that we can form. We are told in 4 years time, the sum 4 years ago, the sum of their ages was 30 years. So this means that if the age of the mother now is m, then 4 years ago it was m minus 4 plus the age of the son is s now. So 4 years ago it was s minus 4. You are told this one is equal to 30. So now we have two equations which gives us a kind of a simultaneous equation. So let's use a technique called substitution. So before we substitute, we need to get one variable in terms of the other. So let's simplify this equation. First, equation 1. So m plus 14 is equals to, let's open this bracket, 2 times s is 2s plus 2 times 14 is 28. Then m is equals to, let's move this 14 to the other side so it becomes negative, so it becomes 2s plus 28 minus 14. So m becomes 2s plus 14. So now we know the value of m. Now let's take this value of m and substitute it in the second equations. The second equation is this one here. So instead of m, let's put this value there. So 2s minus 2s plus 14 minus 4 plus s minus 4 is equals to 30. Let's put the like terms together. 2s plus s plus 14 minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 30. This one becomes 3s plus 14 minus 4 is 10, minus 4 is 6, plus 6 is equal to 30. So 3s is equal to 30 minus 6. 3s is equals to 24. So divide by 3 both sides, divide by 3 both sides to get the value for s. By 3 1 by 3, that's s. By 3 1 by 3 8. So s, which is the age of the son, is equals to 8 years. Now what is the, let's come back here and see, find what's the age of the mother. The age of the mother is m, which is equals to 2s plus 14. So the age for the mother, m, is equals to 2s, 2 times 8 plus 14. You can get that one from this one, from this equation here. So m is equals to 16 plus 14. M is equal to 30. So the age of the mother, which was m, is 30. So now what's the question? Find how old the mother was when the son was born. So if the mother now is 30 years and the son is 8 years, how old was the mother when the son was born? When the son was born, the age of the son obviously was 0 years. So to get how old the mother was, we subtract the age of the mother now from the age of the son. So age of mother when son was born equals age of mother minus age of son, which is 30 minus 8, which is 22 years, which is not a bad age for a woman to get a son. Let's hope he was not her 10th.